everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone. So the first thing you want to do is just go to power by swiping down from the top right and go to power off. And just completely turn this off. Now the most complicated part is simply just finding the cable and finding a computer. So you have to have this cable plugged into a PC or laptop, and you could try out different sources for like power, but I know with the PC or laptop this works, so we can just plug this into the bottom of our phone just like this, and then you're going to see a charging symbol. Now when you see that charging symbol, just press the power button and the volume up at the same time, and you can wait about 10 to 15 seconds. If nothing happens, just let go and then press those two buttons down again. So often I see this power symbol go away, and then I'll press it down again, and then it'll launch into the actual recovery screen. So power button, volume up, I see Samsung, I can let go, and then I can disconnect this power cable right here. Now we can use the volume down key, and we can go over to wipe data, factory reset, and press the power key right here and go to factory reset right there, and this will wipe all the data off your phone, and then it's going to be like it's brand new, and you're going to have to sign in with your account. So you can go over to Google Services and go to Google Backup, and you can try to retrieve as much information from your Google account as you possibly can. This could include photos, videos, contacts, some text messages, etc. So just look for Google Services and go to Backup. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.